Not everyone loves being on camera, but every brand needs a face, a presence that speaks clearly, consistently, and professionally. That's why we built something new. Introducing Focusy 2.0, featuring our biggest breakthrough yet, the AI avatar generator. Focusy 2.0 is here, and it's redefining how creators, teams, and brands make video content. From screen recordings to voiceovers, Focusy has always made storytelling simple. But with this update, we're taking it one step further by letting your voice meet a digital persona that represents your brand 24/7. No camera, no reshoots, no pressure, just pure presence. Let's be honest, being on camera isn't for everyone. Between privacy concerns, stage fright, and endless retakes, creating professional videos can be a grind. And even when you do get it right, maintaining consistency across tutorials, product launches, and marketing videos, that's another headache. That's why we asked ourselves, what if you never had to face the camera again, without losing that professional touch? Meet the AI Avatar Generator, your digital spokesperson, powered by Focusy's advanced AI. With over 100 diverse avatars to choose from, you can match your brand's voice and visual identity perfectly. Whether you're building tutorials, marketing videos, or online courses, your avatar is always on, always consistent, and always professional. It's you, without the camera. Choose from over 100 avatars, from polished professionals to friendly, casual presenters. Each avatar is crafted to match different industries and audiences, giving your brand a recognizable, unified look across all videos. Forget hiring actors or rescheduling shoots. Just pick your avatar and start creating. Thanks to industry-leading APIs, every avatar delivers stunningly lifelike performances. Natural facial expressions, precise lip syncing, and real-time eye contact, all automatically generated. It's performance that feels human, no acting skills required. Your AI avatar doesn't need lighting setups, perfect hair days, or new takes. It's available 24/7, delivering consistent messaging every time. That means your brand's voice and style stay perfectly aligned across every video you make. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Record your video. Just open Focusy, capture your screen or demo. Step 2. Generate your AI avatar. Browse through the library, pick your preferred look, and click Generate. Step 3. Customize and export. Adjust backgrounds, layouts, and pacing. Then export your final video in full HD. That's it. Studio quality videos in just a few minutes. The AI Avatar Generator is built for everyone: creators, educators, marketers, and businesses. Whether you're explaining a new feature, training a team, or launching a product, your avatar delivers your message with clarity and confidence. You stay behind the scenes, while your brand stays front and center. Focusy 2.0 isn't just another update. It's the start of a new way to create. A world where professionalism doesn't depend on cameras, and creativity doesn't depend on comfort zones. Your voice, your brand, your digital presence, powered by AI. Try it out today. Download Focusy 2.0 and meet your AI avatar. This is Focusy 2.0, AI Avatars. Professional presence without the camera.